Hello friends, it's Laura here. Let's make these simple yogurt cookies. Please support my channel by subscribing and commenting. I will really appreciate it. We will start by adding 1 egg to a bowl, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil or 60 ml, 2 tablespoons of sugar, mix together. Half cup of plain yogurt, which is the star ingredient. Mix very well. One teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Mix again. Two and a half cups of all-purpose flour or 280 grams. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt or a pinch. Mix together to form a dough. Sprinkle some flour on a work surface. Transfer the dough. Mold into ball. Flatten or roll out using a rolling pin. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar on the dough. Divide horizontally and vertically to form cubes, just like I'm doing. Place on a baking tray and bake at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. You can snack on these cookies all day. It is light and soft. You can enjoy it as it is. You can enjoy it with tea, with coffee, or any beverage of your choice. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share with your loved ones. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video. Love you.